I hope the executive is not going to accede to this process of this bill just for purpose of meeting a short-term interest. We want to see the resources that are meant for counties being transferred. At the moment, counties are having arrears of over 3 months.
To absorb these funds, the capacity of the counties to actually account for these funds is going to be a big issue. And so those of you who are running counties out there, be prepared and be forewarned. It is public money, it is for the people, it is for the counties, and we want to make sure that the money is put to good use.
Madam Speaker, I was with my MCA 2 days ago, Honorable Peshut of Imaroro Ward, and he told me that they have not even received salaries for the last 2 months. So there is no money in the counties because Treasury does not dispense in good time. So we speak of big money and increase, but they keep delaying the services to the people. I hope that this time they'll improve in service delivery.
Honorable Senators, this is the results for the division. Ayes 35, nays 0, abstention 0. The ayes have it.